use no glue, and this wig is not going anywhere. It is glued to my head. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are getting into depth of installation. Okay, this is a synthetic wig. It is the cheapest wig I own, and I wanted to use it to show you that you can lay down any form of closure or frontal wig. All right. I may be looking like a masquerade, but trust me, you are going to be shocked, amazed. So you are going to get your got-to-be glue, spray a pump of it, but before then, make sure that you use a brush to pull your baby hairs backward to avoid damages, okay? And I'm going to be using my blow dryer. And so, Jerry, once that gets tacky, you are going to add another pump of spray, got-to-be spray, over the first layer. This is the second layer, and then my trusted blow dryer again. Then once that gets tacky, make sure that you let it get tacky a bit, then go in with your third pump, okay? And then this is one trick. You are going to take that wig off your head, spray the glue onto the lace, okay, inside of the lace. I call it the eyelash method, okay? And then wait for it to get tacky, the one on your forehead. Then you're going to go in and put on this wig, and then start pressing it into that spray, into that tacky spray. Once you're done pressing it in, take a band and tie it. Take a band and now tie this. This will complete the melting method. But before then, say hello to my cute baby. Hello. She dey learn walk, no mind them. And then you're going to wait for about 30 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on your time. And you see, this wig is not moving. If you like, go and swim with it. It will not move. After that, I'm going to go ahead and put my heat protectant spray. Just because it's synthetic wig does not mean you should burn it or use it to cook soup. Okay, just go ahead and put heat. After that, I'll go in with my wax, put on the top, and see me struggling to put on concealer on this, guys. After that, I'm going to just go in with low heat. Just go low heat to flatten it, okay? After that, I'll brush it, and guys, this wig will not move. I repeat it, it will not move no matter what. Okay, guys. All right, guys, we have come to the end of today's class. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, follow, and please comment what you think. I will see you all in our next class. Bye, guys.